There are several advantages of using MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Firstly, it doesn't involve the use of ionizing radiation, so things like gamma rays, X-rays, beta radiation are not there. It's non-invasive, which means you don't have to cut into the patient with the risk of infection. It provides excellent soft tissue imaging with better contrast. That's the ability to be able to tell between different tissues, better than CT or CAT scanning, computer-aided axial tomography, and even better than conventional X-rays. You're getting slices through the body in your imaging through the voxels or video type pixels. You're getting much better resolution than in ultrasound. In ultrasound, you're relying on the echoes or the bouncing back of a reflection of waves through in various tissues and boundaries between different tissues in the body. The data can be processed and it can be made into a 3D image or a tomographic image, a slice through the body. Except for a few patients where they might experience anxiety, the MRI, there's no discomfort to the patients, and some can use this open style design rather than a tube that the patient goes into to make them less anxious. The disadvantages of using MRI is it's a very expensive process. The capital cost of machines is extremely high, and you have to have a liquid helium supply, and it has to be constantly monitored. There's currently, there has been a shortage. This was quite a while ago, but there's a shortage of skilled people whenever there's a new type of imaging machinery. That's less the case now, but the contributing factor, the higher trained somebody has to be, the higher their salary needs to be to attract them into the industry, radiography industry. MRI machines are very sensitive, and they must be screened from outside radio and magnetic interference, so you can't have two machines within a certain area. Definitely not in the same building. And you have to have shielding around the rooms. Patients with certain parts added to their body, such as pacemakers, cannot be imaged. The very large magnetic fields can create currents, but anything magnetic cannot be imaged. You can't take any ferromagnetic materials into the room or within close distance to the MRI machine, because that strong magnetic field that's needed to cause the protons to precess can attract those machines, anything into the machine. And you can also interfere with other sensitive equipment around the machines because of that strong magnetic field induces electric currents in other machines.